Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening SyncDJ and signing into your account so your libraries and preferences load. Once done, pick a playlist to work with and designate who will be master tempo. Make sure your audio device and any MIDI controller are enabled in settings so tempo and cue mapping work without delay. Now load a track into Deck and another into Deck B. We start syncing tempo and beat grids immediately to prepare for live mixing. You analyze each track to ensure BPM and beat grids are precise because SyncDJ relies on that data to keep tracks aligned. Then engage sync and watch phase indicators. Use tempo nudge or pitch bend for micro adjustments when beats drift. Make sure sync lock is used for the deck you want stable. Meanwhile, map transport, cue points, and loop sizes to your controller so you can trigger transitions without touching the screen. This keeps your hands free and mixes consistent. You finish the mix by blending decks with crossfades, EQ cuts, and subtle volume automation so energy flows smoothly. Once you like the transition, hit record if you need a capture. Verify peak meters and lower gain to prevent clipping. If you notice drift or offbeat hits, toggle sync off then on, or reanalyze the problematic track's beat grid and realign start markers. This typically corrects timing errors quickly. Keep monitoring phase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.